Right, let's start. Buongiorno, welcome to Jaxx Vane Studio, number 30. Still working on the sailing simulator prototype. So yesterday's been a fun day. I was pretty much racing and enjoying the game on Twitch, just as a player. This morning I also did some work. And I added this sail overview down here, which helps me in understanding what the sails are doing. They also change color. Of course, in the catamaran, sails are strange because they are usually overpowering the boat. So depending on the point of sail, you're really not going full blast with the sails. Interestingly, after driving yesterday with the automatic AI sail, I tried today, and interestingly I won straight away. So it looks like the work done to yesterday on the foil sort of pays off. And I think also the understanding of the race course. So the main news is that we have a complete race course now that sort of follows what you see in the America's Cup and Sail GP. So the way this race course works, if I can find my orientation, yeah. So basically, we start from here. Which is 90 degrees from the wind. So the wind is coming from there, right? So the wind is coming from our, hold on, I think I'm confused. I'm a little bit confused. Where am I? I'm a little bit confused. I think that's a small bug. This guy. Oh, yeah. So, right, let's try this again. So we start from here. Wind is coming from our right side, exactly at 90 degrees. So we pass this mark here, left, and we start this downwind run. And these light blue, are the boundaries of the race course. So compared to before, where we could just go as far as we wanted on the side, now we have to remain inside this course. The software is still not checking or enforcing this. Obviously, eventually it will, and quite for sure, I still have to understand how it works in real life, because in real life, for sure, in Sail GP and probably also in America's Cup, they have software that tells them where the boundary of the race course are. But I have a feeling that there are also boats there to signal where the boundary is. I would like the idea to have boats instead of a map, but we will see. Hey, good morning, Remco. So the idea, yes, is that, so we're coming from, so that's the starting gate. We pass this guy, and we start bouncing, bang, 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 up there, up, until we get to this gate here. Once we get here, we can go either left or right, and we turn back, and we keep bouncing, bam, 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 up to these red And this is upwind. So here we're going exactly with the wind coming in our direction. So we keep bouncing back and forth. We get there, and then we return to this one. I think in the actual race they do it a couple of times. In this, I only do it one time. So the second time downwind, then you turn 90 degrees, and again with 90 degrees wind, we end up here at the end. You might remember some replay from the past. So this is our starting line, and then it should switch to our Mark I camera. Yes. Okay. But you might notice that there is no ghost, right? So we lost the ghost in the replay, which is a very convenient feature for me, because it helps me to do cool videos and screenshots. So this should be quite easy. Replay. That's a ghost work. Yep, there we go. There we go, the ghost. The ghost is with us in the replay, but the camera is too zoomed on my boot to see it. Shit. But it's there, right? It's definitely there. Yeah, it's definitely there. Bit. A little bit shaky. I know why. I know why, because I need to... Shit, I need to lerp this. All right, that works. Let's see if we can get a better ghost movement. Because the other solution would be, and it's something that I was thinking about, to actually include the ghost in the replay itself, which has some advantages compared to this one. And the advantage is that is going to retain... All right, that's very near. So, all right. So, okay. So we should be able to see this pretty well. If the ghost is... All right. Looks smooth to me. Looks very smooth. Yep, I like it. I like it. Yeah, it works. Ma sono italiano vero. Italiano verissimo. All right, that works. This goes in replay, done. Next. Add foils, hide telltales. All right, okay, so what's the idea here? When I drive with the manual sail, it's very easy to do this. Let me show you. It's very easy to foil with the rudder on my side here. So the rudder on my back is very easy for that rudder to come out of the water. The problem is that and that makes the boat do weird movements, especially when flying high with an angle like this. And now I fell, but right, let me check the replay if I did it. Yeah, you can see that my rudder is out of the water, right? And this happens very easily when you are with the automatic sail. It doesn't happen because the automatic sail automatically keeps the boat level. The problem is that there is no it's very difficult when you drive to realize that your foil is out of the water. Very, very difficult. So my idea is to add here 4 just boxes that will give you a feedback of which foil is in the water and which foil is not in the water. All right. Well, that if this works surprisingly easy. It is working. It's giving me red on my... That works. Whoops. So it's telling me that my rudder is flying. I'm happy with that. That's so slow. Whoa! And that's what happens. And that's what's happening if you don't unpower. That looks good. Let me see. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bang. Cool. Yeah, yes, but the wing will stop it from completely, or also it will stay at 90 degrees, which is correct. That's cool with the ghost. Still think this TV camera is a little bit too zoomed in. Very cool. Ideally, I should do something like, you know, when there are 2 boats near, the camera should understand that the thing to really look at that rudder out of the water. The camera should understand that the thing to watch is really the point in the middle between the 2 boats. It's a ghost dead in the water. No, it's not open. Oh my God, what did I do? It's not OpenGL. It's just a system that I wrote that looks like OpenGL, and it's what I use to do UI 2D stuff. What the hell did I do? No, I'm thinking it should not be there. If you're fine, I don't give you the information. So you see them appearing when there is a problem or when you're getting close to the limit. So see, so even without watching, you see that there is something. All right, that was easy enough. So let's see if it works. So the idea that when I reset, it should also reset my current. mark. So let's pass the first mark. Okay, first mark passed. Let's make sure to be far enough. And F9. Looks like it's working. All right. That's a good thing because it allows me to finish a race against the ghost and just reset instead of traveling to the starting line again. So that's good. That's good. So we did also this one. And that means that I'm done for today, which is great. Thanks everybody for stopping by. If you watch this on YouTube, remember that you can follow it live on Twitch 3 times a day, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 o'clock Central European Time. That means that my next stream is going to be next Wednesday at 10 o'clock. So until then, see ya and ciao, ciao.